All right, well, today is October 30th, 2019. We're looking at the western U.S. water vapor loop, and we've had a lot of wind and fires. We've got a new fire in the Simi Valley area near the Reagan Library, and we can see what's happening here on the western U.S. water vapor loop. We have high pressure installed blocking this tropical flow that should be moving in and delivering cool temperatures to the southwestern and the southeastern part of California. This moisture right here should, we got a couple of dead frames here, let's get rid of those. Okay, so we've got moisture moving in, trying to move in, but it's being blocked by high pressure. We can see the descending air, how it's squashing out everything that's trying to move in, blocking all the weather, redirecting the jet stream. Let's go back to the water vapor map. We can see what's happening. This was a developing low pressure system much earlier this morning. We can see it's being squashed, and all this moisture is being blocked and sprayed over. We got some reports from people in Temecula and down in Anza, Borrego Desert area. Thanks for those updates. Of course, we have a no rain forecast, and so this incoming moisture will be sprayed over to prevent the precipitation process. And we can see this happening. If you look to the south, you can see the aerosols being sprayed high above the incoming weather. So there it is. We have fires burning and rain is being blocked. That's it.